You got your wing, 512 millimeters. Got wing struts, mini servo, pliable. It does have lights on it. Bag of parts, spare propeller, screwdriver, and charger. Got your landing gear, soft foam tires, your fuselage. Altogether, this weighs 94 grams flying weight. It's got a 1504 brushless motor in it. The best part about this is it has 2 ports, an S-Bus port and a DSM or DSMX port. So you can take any satellite receiver that glues to your radio, any radio at all, and use it with this plane. I have a Lemon RX satellite receiver. I'll plug this into the DSM or DSMX port, and I'll be able to use my Spectrum NX8 Plus or any Spectrum radio. You need to make sure your receiver is 3.3 volts or 3 volts.
Binding. Bind complete.